Oh, hey there. Good morning. Do you ever wake up and you just got a little bit of a sweet tooth? Well, then this recipe today is for you. This is so good. And the way it came about is a little weird. It involves Aelen, so you know it's going to be kind of weird. But you know what? I don't think I can do it justice, so I'm just going to let them tell it.
How'd it come to this? Me, Professor Thomas Ikes, renowned alchemist and ecologist, serving mediocre bean water to rowdy commoners and dainty damsels. I should be making breakthrough concoctions at the College of an Accent.
Excuse me, sir. A 20-ounce lavender cold brew with 7 pumps of zesty purple cream and 3 microspoons of face sugar with 2 extra cold foam and no ice. And ice on the side is 5 electron. Oh, I apologize, ma'am. Regardless, the price is still the same.
Bugbears, bugbears.
What the?
You see them? Dad? No, not
Sir,
Dad. Bugbears, little bitty bugbears
This
everywhere.
is a siren's kiss. Take your belligerence.
Ikes! Guy sounds scary. You see those bugbears everywhere?
Welcome to Siren's Kiss. What's your heart's desire?
I just want to go home.
Oh, great. A druid.
Oh, thumbs. Okay.
Could I get you a mushroom coffee?
Oh, yes, a mush. No. No more mushrooms. No. Have you always looked the way a goblin smells?
Sir, what do you want? I have customers.
It's not as simple as what I'd like. What I need is I stopped taking the mushrooms and I keep turning into the dog and I can't stop turning into the dog. It's really just the whole thing's annoying.
What you need is therapy. Next.
Ikes!
The only way to get rid of a mushroom addiction is with a fired and spiced Owlbear Milk Latte.
Okay, then.
Unfortunately, we're all out of Owlbear milk. So...
Well, I'm Druid. I turned into the dog. I can just go turn into an owlbear. I can go get that
Sir,
way.
I don't think that will work.
Why? Yeah. But, I have an idea. I think I can go do something. Keep these, hold my place in line. I'll be back. I got it. I got it. Got the owlbear.
Goody, you're back.
I got the owlbear milk. Got it.
But how?
I think I'm part of an owlbear herd or something now. Herd? Is that what the word is? That's what the word is for that. Either way, doesn't matter how. I would like one of those lattes now, please.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Bang.
Mixology is just simplified alchemy. You just need the right ingredients. One fine unspiced Owlbear Milk Latte.
Oh. Wow. That is good. I'll have another. Oh, wow. That really did the trick. You weren't kidding. I'll have another.
Hold your horses. You haven't paid for the first two.
Fair enough, fair enough. How much?
2 gold pieces. Each.
Steep price. Well, I guess, well worth it in the end, though, if I can stop seeing those little bugbears everywhere. Well, either way, here you go. Thank you so much. A little something in there for you. Nice little talisman I picked up on the road, but thank you so much. I'm gonna take this with me. It's hard enough to get. Either way, you have a great day, all right? Thank you so much. Ikes!
Next.
So Siren's Kiss has always had some great coffee concoctions and other drinks, but ever since they released this Owlbear Milk Latte, it's been impossible to get in the door. And because Aelen isn't just made of money, he asked me to figure out how to make it. So before we get into the recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know, tell us what your favorite coffee drink is. And now, let's learn to make this latte. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our old-fashioned oats, half a cup, and we are going to dry roast them in a pan over medium heat for about 45 minutes until they start letting out their aromas and stuff like that. And you want to make sure that you stir it constantly, make sure that they don't burn. All right, now that those are toasted and we've got all that aroma in here, we're gonna go ahead and add our water. Now, it will splash a little bit. It's okay. You just wanna swirl it around a little bit, make sure all those oats get a little bit of water. Oh yeah. And let that sit for just a second to come together. And then we can go ahead and add the rest of everything. So we've got our 4 cups of milk. Throw that in. Then we want to add our brown sugar, our granulated sugar. Kind of spread that out so it doesn't get clumpy. And our cinnamon sticks. and a little pinch of salt, because salt always brings out the flavor in everything, whether it's sweet, savory. Just kind of want to stir that around, make sure all your sugars get dissolved, and then we're going to put this back on medium heat and get it simmering. And once it starts simmering, we are then going to drop the heat down to low and let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes, just until things really get nice and soft and they start to come together with all the flavors. All right, now that everything has gotten nice and soft, we've let it simmer. We are going to bring it up. Oh, look at that steam. We are going to bring this up off the heat, and we are going to let it come to room temperature before we do anything else with it. So just set it, walk away. Okay, I think it is cooled and ready to go. All right, so we want to grab a nice tight-fitting lid jar. We are going to take a ladle, because I'm not good at pouring. We're going to try and get all of this into here. Try and avoid any mess, but you know, nobody's perfect. I won't tell if you don't tell. And we want to get the entire mixture in here. Then we're going to throw it in the fridge for about 4 hours. Or longer, if you can. 4 to 24 hours. Okay, got most of the mixture in. We want to take your cinnamon sticks, throw it in there. Get one last scoop. Okay. And now we just want to pop the lid on. Let's get it chilled. All right, it has been about 4 hours, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this out of our bag of colding, your fridge, your ice chest, freezer box, whatever you wanna call it. We wanna pop it open, try and grab out our 3 cinnamon sticks, put them off to the side. We still need them. Do not throw them away yet. You will notice that the mixture is very chunky. It's supposed to be like that. Trust me. All right, now you want to take it and put it into a blender, food processor, something just to blend it all together and emulsify. Okay, once that is blended smooth, you want to get your jar and you want to get a fine mesh strainer. I'm going to put that on top. You need to make sure you have a silicone spatula, something that is bendable, so that way you can really press through the I'm going to take that out. Oh. If you like cinnamon, you're going to love this. This smells so good. Okay. And the ladle. Put it through. All right, and as we finish up pressing everything out, getting as much liquid as possible, you just take the pulp, set it off to the side, and once it's all in there, you take your 3 cinnamon sticks, throw it back in there. All right, and then once everything's back in there and you've got the lid shut, if you made a mess like me, you want to clean it off and then throw it back in the fridge for about an hour, just to let things kind of settle and come together. Okay, we've let this sit for another hour in our bag of colding, fridge, ice chest, anything. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So first thing you want to do is just shake it up. Make sure it's all mixed together, and then I like to add it to stuff. I don't like to drink it straight. So you can add it to your coffee. I like to add it to just milk. So you pour some in, Give it a little stir. Make sure it's mixed thoroughly. Oh yeah. And then I like to top it with a little bit of cinnamon from our friends over at Spice Slayer. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. Now, let's give it a try. Oh, it's so good. It's cold, it's sweet. It's different. It's great for a summer day or any morning. Like I said, it tastes great in coffee. So, be sure you like the video, subscribe. Let us know if you would be willing to milk an owlbear for this recipe. Anyway, everybody, I hope that you eat well, love others, and God bless.
I almost wish the shot could be from down here because, oh my god, does that look funny. Just seeing his head go, whoop!
Oh, great. A druid.
Insert bark effect.
Sometimes I like to play golf.
I'm not a big fan of golf, to be
I
honest.
like the driving range more than actual play.
All right, and rolling, B-Cam.
And as always, I hope that you eat well, love others, God bless. We're gonna have to do it again because of that. I know we're losing some, but oh well.
That's okay. All right, that's a cut.
Wes! Mr. Klingraw! Wes, it's Aelen. I'm here for that owlbear milk. Thank you for the recommend on that barber. I'm not really sure about all the wax, though. Wes? Wes! If you're not going to be home, you really should lock that door. Anyone can get in here. My. Mr. Klingraw, what have you made today? It's spongy. Looks greasy. Maybe it's like the mushroom bread. Oh, that's a bit concerning. Well, I've eaten worse for this quest. No. Nope. We will stick to the owlbear milk. Oh. I'm sorry, Wes. I'm sorry. Oh! My leg!